Let's take you to Australia, where scientists have named 165 newly discovered species of insects, plants, fish and other living things. They've been given scientific names, but the researchers have had some fun along the way because 5 of them have been given common names that reference the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Let's show you Loki, type of robber fly, the Marvel character, obviously the one on the right. Sticking to the theme, this robber fly is called Thor or Brontoflavus, meaning blonde thunder. And this one has been named, this is my favourite, Deadpool, for its strong resemblance, of course, to the comic book character's mask. Let's have a listen to Isabella Robinson. She is the student who helped name them.
These are the first species I got to name, so I wanted to do something a little bit exciting with the naming. Humerolithalis means wet or moist water, and sounds a little bit like lethal humour in English. They're all over Australia, all the way from Queensland down to Tasmania and over across to WA.
Let's talk now to Dr. Bryan Lessard in Canberra. He's with Australia's National Science Agency, which is responsible for naming the new species. Sounds like quite a bit of fun, Bryan, that you've had with these ones, but of course there's a very important reason behind all of this, and one of them surely is that we're now talking about these flies and insects and plants.
Hi, Lucy. Yep, naming a species is the most exciting and fun part of being a biologist, and it definitely gets the attention of these species, that especially flies, that not many people care about. But these are the Earth's mightiest predators. They're assassin flies. They catch other insects and even small hummingbirds, and they eat them. So they are fantastic predators and a part of the food chain.
So Bryan, the Deadpool fly, more than just a physical resemblance, it is remarkable, the physical resemblance though as well, but the fact that he's such an assassin is, relevant as well.
It was meant to be. If you look at the mask-like pattern on the fly's back, and it is an assassin, and it's perfect for a character like Deadpool.
Tell me about some of the others, the spider wasp.
So we've named 5 new species of spider wasps from natural collections. And what's really amazing about spider wasps is that the females hunt down spiders and inject them with venom. And we've started looking at these venoms. And what's really amazing is not only do they paralyze the spider, but they could have the next wonder drug. So they act on the human nervous system as well. So we're doing research at CSIRO on identifying what compounds are in these things so we can use them for treating Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease as well.
Bryan, I came to Australia to cover the bushfires, and there was so much concern about the loss of species because of the fires. This is some positive news today, the fact that you've found and discovered and named these.
Yes, we've named new species of spider wasps, and I've named 24 new species of soldier flies, and a lot of these are known from areas that were badly burnt in the summer bushfires. But now that they have formal scientific names, scientists are able to go out there and see if they're recovering or if we need to list them as endangered species, because naming a species is the first step to understanding them and protecting them so future generations can enjoy them as well.
Well, congratulations, Bryan Lessard. Thank you very much for joining us from Canberra.
Thank you.